Aloha. Me in Hawaii.
Friday night, I'm out with the guys. You already called me 5 times. Drinks are flowing, catching my vibe. Blue bubbles are blowing up my line. You got friends too, no one told you stay inside. Go live your life. Your life.
Bro, you had like so many cars to get driven in. You had the Maybach, you had the Maybach Sprinter, you had, what else do you have?
Cybertruck?
Well, the black truck is nice though. I haven't ridden in that, but I saw it.
Oh, that's good.
That shit's nice.
We'll
see, that's white, is
White interior. It's black right now.
Racist, don't you think? What's wrong with a black car?
Guys, I did my DNA test and I got 20% African, 3% Jewish, and like 1% a bunch of other stuff.
Bro, you look about as far from black as humanly possible.
Hey, I'm not kidding. I'm actually gonna give you guys the specifics of where I'm black from, okay? Let me show the vlog, okay guys? So, I'm not kidding. Alright, look at this. I am 11% North Africa, okay? 5% French. Oh, Tatiana! Je suis français.
Really?
Oui, 5%.
Well.
Bargain.
I'm black from the waist down, brother. Black from the waist down. Alright, first mission of Hawaii is to play the entire Iceman album. Brez, how you liking it so far?
Wait, is this my vlog?
No, it's my vlog. Shorty keep asking the day, she trying to finesse Polly Market for bread. Damn. You get it, bro? Cause she's like trying to finesse Polly Market for bread by asking the release date. You get it? I don't think he gets it. You get it, Josh?
Say it again.
Never mind. I get it, chat. I get it.
Yo, we just upgraded our room to the nicest one in the whole resort.
This is going to be inserted into yours also.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much.
About your daily breakfast.
Thank you. And I'm not going to tell my girl. We're just going to walk in there and then she's going to be like, what the hell? It's like on the beach. It's like its own little house on the beach. So we're going to see how dope it is. I don't even know what it looks like. How'd you get that? Can I have both?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Here
let's
you
go.
go.
Oh.
Did you want this? You can take this home with you.
I have one.
Oh, you got it. Alrighty. Welcome to the resort.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like the viewers just got one too.
Welcome to the resort.
Girl, I wish I could save you, but I can't. That girl took me for Spider-Man, Superman. Cause, girl, you got the power.
And then 125 is going to be a separate building right over here.
Sweet.
So if you want to go ahead and make sure your keys work, go check out that stupid view. We got 125 over here.
Bergen, this is crazy. This is insanely nice.
I already got a song for my main chick, so let me do a record for my side piece. Let me do a record for my side piece.
Look how high the ceilings are.
Yeah, we got our own like house. In the beach? I think you can. Oh, and we have a pool in our backyard.
No.
Yeah. With a bartender.
Dude, that view is sick though. That is
So
nice.
Bro. This is the nicest room in the hotel, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, we upgraded our shit.
Do you know like where we're eating?
That restaurant at the pool. We're very limited on options right now because everything like closed after lunch and is getting ready for dinner.
Oh shoot.
So we're like limited.
Green salad,
Thank you.
chicken salmon surprise,
Me. Thank you.
burger with bacon.
This looks good.
That's me. Thank you.
Babe, look.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna have some because I'm not gonna eat it all.
Brez, look.
That does look really good.
You got hella tricks up your sleeve.
These boys are about to go on an alcoholic mission. They're gonna see who can chug the fastest. Will it be
I'll chug, but I'm not. This ain't no contest.
Rescue, Josh, For Brian. Your wife like his camera mod.
Because he has the thingy.
The ND filter. I would low-key like to be a cameraman. If I ever fall off, can I have a job?
Yeah. You gotta compete with Josh.
I can make better videos than him.
Go for it, Gabe. Everyone is looking at us because we're walking through the pool area and we're filming. Everybody's like, what the fuck is going on? Because you're filming me, he's filming you, filming me. Everybody's like, what the fuck is going on?
Well, you're a famous YouTuber, bro. Alright, say I'm like a 18-year-old kid, just graduated high school and I want to make some money online. What do you recommend me to do right now?
I would say focus on just getting good at something.
What did you get good at?
Well, obviously running ads.
Okay.
I think the viewers know that unless they're...
Not everybody. First time viewer right here.
That's true. Okay.
I just saw orange in the thumbnail in Hawaii, so I clicked. I'm a big
I mean,
guy.
it could be like anything, bro. Just focus on getting good at something that can be of value to other people, you know? Any sort of skill that other people would be willing to pay you for. You know, it's like if you have something that's valuable to me, I'll trade what I deem is valuable to you. So it's like if you have a skill set that's valuable, I'll trade a currency for it, obviously money.
Prez, where do you want to be a year from now?
Why are you getting so like, what is going on right now?
Because you have such a nice view behind you, I feel like it's worth talking about.
Doing everything I'm doing now, just at a bigger scale. Like I just want to keep doing what I'm doing now, you know?
Do you have like a set goal kind of in mind that you can look back on in a year? Like do you want to have a Veyron $10 million in the bank?
No, there's not like no specific set goal, I wouldn't say. Just everything I'm doing now at a larger scale and make more of an impact, you know?
You're the GOAT.
1 million subscribers though, that's a goal for sure.
There we go.
So busy till my hands. When you're out deep within me, when you're out deep within me.
Yo, I think I got that on camera.
I want to ride the white one.
Why is that?
I want the black one.
Me too. I like him big and black. It's not private.
No?
Two more people.
I don't think so much money, but not get that. But I have to fart.
Go. Nice. Is that how you cut?
Yeah.
Hello, we're gonna go over a couple rules before we get started, okay? Number 1 rule, one hand on the reins, other hand, do as you please, you can throw it on your lap, the horn of the saddle. You're also more than welcome to take photos and videos. Just with that being said, please be present on your horse today. You're living, breathing animals with a mind of their own, and if you're too distracted, they'll figure it out. And they might try to veer off the trail, grab a bite to eat, which we don't allow them to do. We're gonna make sure they stay on that trail, okay? To steer, super simple. Give them nice firm kicks with your heels and they'll move forward. To steer, keep your arm nice and straight, cross over the direction you want to go. You want to go to the right, cross to the right. Like to the left, cross over to the left. Like to stop, pull back towards your belly button. Once they've stopped, you can release that pressure back down towards your neck. Once they've already stopped, if you continue pulling backwards, they're trained to put it in reverse, which we don't really need. So that happens, just take those reins, relax on their neck, and they'll continue moving forward.
I'm ready, bro. I'm ready to ride a horse. Hopefully they give me a good one. Watch, they're gonna give me the worst one. This one's trying to escape, bro. Look at him. He always breaks loose.
In all my presence to show my affection. Flowers and diamonds and jets through the sky. I'm not here to teach you a lesson.
Having fun.
Give you guys a moment. I'll come right back.
Sounds good. Can we get a food menu as well?
Right there.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. Yeah, now we're kind of cooked because this is just like snacks. Bro, we just went to a whole nother dinner in the resort, and we sit down like at our table and everything, and we're looking at the menu, and everybody's like, "This doesn't look good. Like, let's dip." Now this place doesn't even have like meals. It's just like snacks. I mean, it's like sliders, nachos, wings.
You could go to the beach too.
Bro, and leave again, bro.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Throw some food in too. We're gonna share the sliders, the fries, and the lettuce cups, please.
Done.
And then, all right. Bet.
Excuse me, we're not done yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then they'll order some stuff too. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Think you got it? Okay.
Which one?
Okay, you ready, Bergen?
I'm ready. I was born ready.
What the hell?
Get fucked.
I called him number 3 now.
I got it.
Damn.
I got the jack.
Now you're lost in the heat of it all.
It's like Omega 1 HP. I think it's the allergies or something with the flowers or some shit. Cause my eyes are like puffy, my throat hurts so bad. Really? Yeah. My sinuses were fucked up. Oh, like I think it's just like the flowers or some shit. But about to power through it. Do some surfing.
It's gonna work here, guys. We're gonna go down the stairs. I'm gonna put your leash around your back ankle. I'm gonna carry your board down, and then you're gonna hop on the board just after the rocks here, yeah? You're then gonna paddle to that orange buoy.
Excited?
I am actually.
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me that. Seems like they're just happier than
There she goes
us these
again.
days.
W.
Yeah. These days I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you'll see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. Yeah. And last night
What's happening, Gabe?
I think
What's happening?
I lost my patience last night. I got high as the expectations last
He said he's one.
1 HP.
And you said you didn't want to be on camera. You were killing it.
Yes! I did so good.
Bro, that was so fun. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to get this off. I'm stuck in it.
No.
Bro, that was so much fun. And I told you, I was gonna be the best. I told you.
Both
I
of you
knew
killed it.
it was
She
gonna
did good though.
Yeah.
She did good, really good. I was
here,
riding
but-
waves on my own without the instructor. That was a lot of fun, bro. Definitely glad that even though I felt like shit, I got out of bed and I went surfing. It's just cool. I wish that you could do some sort of hobby like this in Miami, like to just come be in the sun, like salt water. Like, I actually wish that this existed.
I want to tan in the pool.
In the pool?
Yeah.
Like go in the pool?
Yeah.
Why are you camera shy?
As
right
if she hasn't been in the, what, 3 previous vlogs?
Where do you want to go?
I don't care. Let's go to the
Where?
pool.
In the pool?
Yeah.
For food first, because I'm starving. Let's try it. That shit pretty good. Trenchies, content ideas.
Coming soon.
Yeah, some ads I need to film when I get home. All right, y'all, we got a little Q&A. I felt like throwing up a little Q&A on my story, getting some questions from y'all. First one, what's harder than people expect when they're trying to become successful? I would say like the biggest thing that people don't expect is the amount of time that it's gonna take and the amount of failure it's gonna take. Like you're always gonna go through failure over and over and over. And eventually you're gonna go through enough failures that are gonna teach you the things you need to know in order to like achieve the result that you're looking for. Next question from Jaylee, what's the best way to sign clients? So if you're trying to get into freelance brand scaling, the best possible way you can sign clients is literally just use AI to scrape leads. Like type a ChatGPT prompt Give it to ChatGPT and tell it to scrape you 25 businesses in your local area in any niche. It could be restaurants, it could be landscaping companies, it could be roofing, it could be gyms, it could be pressure washing, car detailing, literally any type of service-based business you can think of. Collect a list of businesses and then just cold call them. Start the conversation off by kind of just breaking the ice. Don't get directly into your pitch, and then as you kind of do break that ice barrier with that prospect over the phone, then you want to go and actually make your pitch of what you can do for their business. And the whole objective of that cold call is to just get them booked in for a meeting. You're not trying to close them directly on that cold call. You just want to get them booked in for a meeting where you can sit down and actually formally like present what you have to offer to their business on that actual sit down meeting. And then that's when you actually make your pitch and try to, you know, close them on your 1K a month retainer, 2K a month retainer, 10% of revenue you generate, X dollar per lead that you generate them, so on and so forth. But again, hosting a free class on Tuesday, so click the top link in the description, check that out, sign up, and I'll talk about that a whole bunch more on there. Did you almost quit when things got hard? I quit multiple times, to be honest. Like, I was trying any and every business model you could possibly think of throughout the whole time I was in like high school. Like, I just failed for 3-4 years over and over and over again. Like NFTs, crypto, drop shipping, day trading. Like, I was trying these things and then just failing and quitting, and then I would get into the next shiny thing. And eventually, like, when I stayed consistent enough with one thing and was determined enough that I'm gonna make this one thing work, is exactly when I started like seeing the result and seeing like the reward of my hard work, when I just stayed consistent with one thing. So like, biggest advice to you guys, if you feel like quitting, is know that it's gonna take time and that you just have to stay consistent with that one thing.
Look at these views.
Yeah, bro, look at how beautiful this is. I don't want to leave, bro. I want to stay. I want to stay, but I need to go back home, get back in my routine, get back like in the gym. We haven't really been hitting the gym consistently while traveling. Usually when I travel, like, I'm good about it. Like, last trip I did was to Cabo, and every day in Cabo I was up at like 8 or 9 a.m. and went to the gym. But this trip, not as much, if I'm going to be honest. But I've still been consistent in getting my work done. Comment the word travel and then where you want to see me go this summer. If you've made it this far in the video, comment travel and where you guys want to see me travel to this summer, because that's really my goal, is to travel, work towards my goals while traveling, and make some dope ass content for you guys all summer long. Yeah, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap on the video. We gotta head to the airport in like an hour and a half, 2 hours. So I'm gonna go enjoy the pool for like 30 minutes, pack up my shit, and then back to Miami, back in the gym, back to the grind. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. I love and appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I wouldn't be here today without y'all. So yeah, man, that's all I got. Little travel spree we did. Another one coming soon, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.